Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up a robo-advisor portfolio with Betterment, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Betterment website. Click on the Get Started button. Create an account using your email address. Choose a password that meets the security requirements. Fill in your personal information, including your name and address. Provide information about your financial situation and goals. Complete the risk assessment questionnaire to determine your investment preferences. Review the portfolio recommendations provided based on your risk tolerance. Select the portfolio that best aligns with your financial objectives. Input the amount of money you want to invest initially. Link your bank account to facilitate fund transfers. Confirm the bank account details and the amount you're transferring. Review and agree to the terms and conditions of Betterment. Submit your investment and let Betterment create your portfolio. Monitor your portfolio regularly through the Betterment dashboard. Adjust your investment strategy as your financial goals or risk tolerance changes. Utilize Betterment's tax loss harvesting feature if applicable. Consider setting up automatic contributions to grow your investment over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.